Hey everyone, it's Cameron and Iinga Callop. We want to show you how to use the activities section in Family Search because there's a lot of fun things there that, well, really we don't really interact with a whole lot, but are pretty cool because they actually use a lot of the past people that look like you and show you who you look most like, and it doesn't have to be the same gender or anything, so it's kind of interesting how it works. So I'll show you how it works. First, you got to log in, right? We're using her account, not mine.
And then whenever you logged in, the screen should pop up like this. This is how my screen looks like. I don't know how everybody else's does. But then right here, if you go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right.
Yep. Just on the
activities.
top there. And lots of activities that you can see. This will be pretty similar on an app too. I've had the app and I've tried this on my app on my phone, and it's worked the same way. So there's different ones like where am I from, all about me, record my story, picture my heritage, and in-home activities, things like that. I think in-home activities is a little different, but compare a face is what we wanted to show you because we just tried it out just now and it's pretty cool.
Okay. So it has a couple of different options. It's take a new photo or upload a new photo. I already took a new photo because I couldn't find any photos on my computer. So I just did that one.
Uh-huh.
And then...
looks like you can just view comparison. This was a lot easier with a MacBook, but here we go. She looks like, what was it? Great-grandfather, looks like.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's my great-grandfather.
Tauvo. Tuiana Tualatamalagi. Yep.
And then if you go back and you say upload a new photo, then it goes into your downloads and then you can find the next picture of that you look like.
I wonder if it would be any different if you chose a different picture.
Let's see.
Just try to find the most accurate picture of yourself. Maybe glasses help. I don't really know. It would be fun to experiment with and see what you believe the most. Oh, and then which one's you?
Oh, this one's you. Oh, this one's me.
That one's you.
Oh, I didn't even know this.
There you go. Okay, cool. Then you can choose ones that are more than just you. Oh, now you look 42% like your great-grandfather. There you go. Nice. Yeah. Well, that's good to know. It just kind of points you back to the same person. Also, up here, where you see all the different people, you can click on them, and it shows you that you are 37% like this person, 35 like this, and it just keeps going down. The highest percentage of look-alike to the very lowest percentage of look-alike. Like, she does not look very much like Bernard Shrednick.
He's from Russia. So.
Ah, okay. Nice.
But this is just a fun, cute little activity that my husband actually found, so I didn't even know it existed, so we just wanted to show you.
Yeah, so we invite you all to go check out the activities section, especially Compare a Face, because it's fun and because it can get you interested in random other parts of Family Search. And so, yeah, it's just fun. So go have fun and explore.